Utuko farigishi riria Akenya angi marakenera toro na kuhuruka thutha wa minoga ya muthenya. Gikundi giki kia airitu na anake makoragwo wira-ini wa gwaka bururi na njira ya mwanya. Aya nio maharagiria na kuruga irio cia arutwo mathukuru-ini thiini wa kaunti ya Nairobi rungu rwa tafarira ya Dishi na County iria yambiriirio ni gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja.
Tunakatakata cabbage, tunazipima per vessel kulingana na ile idadi ya watoto wenye wako. Tunaigawa kila sufuria na nini yake na kipimo yake. Hapo katikati tunaweka hizo cabbage, si tulipima. Tuna mbosho zikiiva, tunaweka cabbage, tunaipea time, tunaweka carrot, zinachemuka. Zikiiva tunaweka hiyo rojo.
I oversee the operations in the kitchen, making sure that every school is getting the right quantities of food and that the food that is delivered in those schools is of good quality. So basically what is happening, they are taking samples of vessel 9 so that any food that goes from vessel 9 we can able to trace back in case there is an issue. And then we are going to keep the samples into the fridge.
Thutha wa mathaa maingi na wira muritu mbere ya riũa kũratha thinacara cia rũcinĩ, irio ciothe ikoragwo irĩkĩtie kuharĩrĩrio na kwambĩrĩria kumagario kinyagia mathukuru-inĩ.
Ikifika saa 11 chakula inakuanga iko ready. Masaa ya saa 9 tunaoshanga drums za kupack hiyo chakula.
Pima temperature, tuna label as in hii kichakula kinaenda shule gani. So for easy identification. Alafu after hapo hivyo tuna seal for the safety.
Thaa ithano cia rũcinĩ irio ciothe ikoragwo ikinyĩtio mathukuru-inĩ na wona ngengere ya mathaa ma kũrĩa yaringwo, gĩkeno kĩa arutwo gĩtihithĩkaga, o ũmwe wao akĩihũrĩrwo itaha.
We say thank you for the person who came up with the idea of hot lunch. I usually see even some of them eating and leaving some little from their bakulis to carry home to the younger ones. So it is helping even beyond the school.
Kwa ihinda rĩrĩ makiria ya arutwo 200,000 nio maragunĩka na tafarĩra ĩno. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere kwandandũra tafarĩra ĩno nĩguo gũkinyĩra arutwo arĩa kwa ihinda rĩrĩ matakoretwo makĩamũkĩra irio mathukuru-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngena wa Wadũro.